Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called XXPICORE Tunnel VPN, which is available on the Google Play Store. This app can help you enjoy a more stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type XXPICORE Tunnel VPN. From the search results, take note of the correct app name and icon, then tap on it. Click Install. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. Step 2. On the home screen of the app, tap the 4 small buttons at the top. From the options shown, select Online Update. This updates the app's resources so you can enjoy the best service and performance. Step 3. Next, you will need to choose a server for your location. Tap on the server box and pick a server of your choice. For the best results, I recommend leaving it set to Auto Select Server, so the app chooses the most reliable one for you. Step 4. Now, tap on the network name box. In the search bar, type UDP. If your country supports UDP, select it. If not, simply choose your country's supported network name from the available list. For this tutorial, I'll select Uganda Hysteria UDP, which works well in many regions. Step 5. Once everything is ready, tap the Start button. After a few moments, the VPN will connect successfully. And that's it. You now have a fast and secure internet connection using XXPICORE Tunnel VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next one.